Unleashing the roar. Understanding the spirit of a lion. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that's as powerful as it is popular, the spirit of a lion. This expression is rich in meaning and imagery, and it's used across various contexts to convey strength, courage, and leadership. If you've ever wondered what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's get started. When we talk about the spirit of a lion, we're referring to the qualities or characteristics that are commonly associated with a lion. The lion is often called the king of the jungle, not just for its physical strength, but also for its boldness, leadership, and protective nature. So, when someone is said to have the spirit of a lion, it means they embody these traits. They are brave, fearless in the face of challenges, and have a commanding presence that inspires and leads others. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. In personal achievements, despite facing numerous setbacks, she continued with the spirit of a lion, eventually founding her own successful company. In sports, the team's captain led with the spirit of a lion, pushing through the toughest moments to secure the victory. In everyday challenges, when confronted with unexpected difficulties, he tackled them with the spirit of a lion, never once letting fear hold him back. But why is the lion considered such a powerful symbol? Across many cultures, the lion represents sovereignty, authority, courage, and protection. Its image is found on flags, in literature, and in myths, symbolizing the highest qualities to which people can aspire. Understanding this symbolism helps to appreciate why the spirit of a lion is such a compelling and motivational phrase. We hope this exploration of the spirit of a lion has inspired you and added a powerful phrase to your English vocabulary. Whether facing personal challenges, striving for success, or leading others, remembering the spirit of a lion can empower you to approach life with courage and strength. Thanks for watching, and remember, channel your inner lion and let its spirit guide you through your journey. See you in the next video.